GE sensor dry. How to reset on diagnose? Just turn 180 degrees. Then you can see kaya naka-on lahat yung LED. Ito yung digital. Then turn. Error 1. So walang error. Number 2, walang error. Number 3, wala. Number 4, 5, ang error 5. So error 5 ay sensor 6 hanggang 13 diagnose 0 7 0 12 reset. Now on. Try to on. Working. Thank you for watching.